What's up, guys? This video is going to be an unboxing of a carburetor I picked up on Amazon. It was just delivered to my house. It cost $66 after tax and that. It took a little longer to get here than I care to wait. Generally, I like the prime shipping, but I ordered this one let's see, November 3rd, and today is the 14th. So, kind of takes a while when, that's my 71 Super Beetle over here. 1600 dual port. This carburetor is for the dual port. And it's from MaxSpeed. It had, it actually didn't have any 1-star reviews. It had all 4 and 3. I think there might have been some 2. Some people had said the choke didn't work, or it was jetted wrong. Things that I guess you'd have to look into with any carb. Other people said they just popped it on and it worked. So I'm going to do a little video to put in the item description on Amazon, because I know I would have liked to have seen one. But for now, do this. Jesus, pretty confusing box here. Okay, make sure you guys can see. All right, so it's maXpeedingrods. Okay. Seems to be packed pretty decent. It is. Feels like a normal Solex. Somebody said that the choke was set really rich on theirs, and on the stock one there's usually a line you can see that you can line up with these, and just guessing by if this is a good copy, then this is probably going to need to spin this way. I'll show that when I put it on the car. But yeah, looks pretty good. This is, wow. That's the, there's a little piston in here. You have to have it hooked up. There's a rod that'll block the fuel from coming down. So, yeah, looks pretty good. And it came with additional jets, mounting rods, and this gasket. What is it, Mia? You go outside? This gasket feels like shit, even through the bag. Yeah. It's basically cardboard. I have other gaskets. I'm probably not going to use that. Other people did mention that they were trying to adjust the idle with the idle screw, and it had no impact. Whichever way they turned it, it wouldn't raise or lower the idle. And that can happen if you have a vacuum leak or something. So maybe they used this one. I'm not going to use it. I have bags of stuff everywhere. I have. So all in all, it feels pretty good. That would work, I suppose. Let's see what jets they give us. $55. And that doesn't say. That's what I have in my other carb right now. But I will pause the video now. Set the camera up over here. There's my new Volkswagen, just got that. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull off the Solex. I did a rebuild on this. I soaked it in the chem dip overnight, cleaned everything, new gaskets and that, and it needs a little more work. So I bought this $60 carburetor from Amazon just so I have a spare one that is in good working order. I'm going to use it while I take this one apart again and just really take my time and probably not drink beer while I do it that time. Anyway, pause them now.